everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as by the title you know, it's a Father's Day special and कुछ साल पहले मैंने Mother's Day special में I did a video जिसमें मैंने खुद को मेरे mom के clothes में style किया था. If you haven't seen that, I'll attach the link in the eye. So you can go and check it out. So usually Father's Day पे मैं एक talk session रखती हूँ मेरे dad के साथ, but इस साल I thought I should do something else. तो now I'm gonna style myself in my dad's clothes. I know थोड़ा सा difficult होगा just because usually ज़्यादा options नहीं रहते हैं. It's a basic shirt and pant and that kind of thing. I actually raided my father's wardrobe and went through all the clothes and मैंने actually 4 different type of clothing item pick किए हैं ताकि थोड़ी सी variety हो जाए और थोड़ा fun रहे style करने में. So एक shirt है, then एक jacket है, jacket plus waistcoat kind of a thing. Then third is a t-shirt, normal t-shirt, and fourth is half pants or shorts, whatever you wanna call that. तो 4 different variety हो गई and now I'm gonna style myself using those items. So if you are eager to see that, without further ado, let's get into the video.